If you have been writing JavaScript for a while, but still sometimes wonder, do I actually know this or do I just Google it fast? Then keep on watching. I'm Martin Ferret, front-end developer from France and the content owner for the JavaScript certifications at Certificates.dev. And I want to show you what JavaScript Free Weekend is really about.
On February 7-8, Certificates.dev is opening up full access to the JavaScript Level Developer Certification training completely for free for 48 hours. This isn't just a preview. It's not a watered-down version, it's the exact same training thousands of developers use to prepare the JavaScript Mid-Level certification exam.
A lot of developers learn JavaScript through tutorials, documentation, or on a job, and that's great. But certification is about something different. It's about validating what you actually know, spotting gaps you didn't realize you had, and understanding how your skills hold up when you are challenged in real-world scenarios. That's why this training is built around practice, not memorization. The training consists of 8 chapters that covers both core and more advanced JavaScript topics, the things you are expected to understand when working at a professional mid-level. You will start with fundamentals like variables, control flow, functions, scope and strict mode, not just how they work, but why they behave the way they do. From there, you move into browser-focused topics like DOM manipulation, events, selecting elements, modifying them, handling user interactions, and understanding event bubbling and delegation. We also go deeper into areas that tend to trip developers up, like closures, high-order functions, method chaining, and asynchronous JavaScript using promises and async awaits. Later in the training, you will work with array and object methods, modern ES features like destructuring and modules, and proper error handling, including custom error types. The idea isn't to overwhelm you, it's just to give you a structured path through the JavaScript knowledge that actually matters in real projects. Throughout the training, you'll see pop quizzes like this one. These are short questions designed to stop you and make you think. They are not about memorizing syntax. They test whether you understand what JavaScript is really doing behind the scenes. Right after that, you move into coding challenges. This is where things get hands-on. You're writing real JavaScript, fixing broken codes, and solving problems that feel very close to what you do in a real code base. There is no skipping past these parts. You have to make the code work. That's intentional, because this is where most learning actually happens. You will also get access to the full JavaScript trial exam. This is one of the most important parts of Free Weekend because it shows you how skills are actually tested. The trial exam includes multiple choice questions to check your understanding, but it also includes a real coding task where you are expected to write working JavaScript. This gives you a very clear picture of where you stand, not just what you know, but what you can apply. Many developers finish the trial exam with a better understanding of their strengths, their weak spots, and what they should focus on next. You don't need to feel ready to join JavaScript Free Weekend. Whether you've picked up JavaScript through tutorials, on a job, or by fixing bugs at 2 a.m., like me, this is your chance to put your skills to the test. It's for developers who want to uncover knowledge gaps, understand the why behind the code they write, and see what real-world JavaScript skills are expected today. So come join us on February 7-8 for JavaScript Free Weekend. Sign up now and secure your access at certificates.dev/JavaScript. See you on the weekend.